Hi, I'm Jarvis. I'm a pharmacist with London Drugs. Have you been thinking about quitting smoking? Every day in the pharmacy, I speak with people who want to quit or reduce their use of cigarettes, vaping, or other forms of nicotine. Today, I want to share some tips that are backed by pharmacists and other smoking cessation experts. One of the key points to note about quitting is that it can be difficult to do on your own, and it may take several attempts before you become nicotine-free, and that's okay. It's not only about willpower, it's about having the right support and the right tools. To double your chances of success, studies show that it is most effective to combine a quit aid or medication with support from a healthcare professional who is trained in smoking cessation. That's one of the reasons why pharmacists play an important role to help people quit. We can work with you to identify your cravings and triggers and develop a personalized plan to manage them. We will review your choices of evidence-based medication or nicotine replacement products that can help make a real difference in your chances of success. A lot of people start with nicotine replacement therapy, or NRT. This includes products like patches, gums, lozenges, oral sprays, and inhalers. These are safe, well-studied, and proven to help people quit. One of the most effective approaches to manage craving is to use a combination of these products. A patch for steady support throughout the day, and something fast-acting, like a gum, lozenge, or oral spray for sudden cravings. Nicotine gums are not like regular gum. It should be chewed slowly a few times until the taste becomes strong. Then stop chewing and place the gum between your cheek and gum line, and start again when the taste has faded, and you can use one piece for up to 30 minutes. Chewing it too fast like regular gum can cause side effects like hiccups or an upset stomach. There are also prescription medications that can significantly increase your chances of quitting. You may have heard about options like varenicline or Champix and bupropion or Zyban. These medications work by reducing cravings or by making smoking feel less satisfying. It is recommended to take these tablets every day for about 3 months, and you may be able to continue smoking for 1 to 2 weeks while medication builds up to an effective level in your body. The pharmacist will explain how to take these medications and how to manage any potential side effects. In many provinces, pharmacists can even prescribe these medications when it's appropriate. Many people are surprised to learn that the products to help you quit smoking usually cost less than continuing to buy cigarettes. Cigarettes can cost about $15 to $25 per pack, while treatments to help you quit can often cost a few dollars a day. Many provinces and insurance plans also have programs to help cover the cost of nicotine replacements or medications. For example, the British Columbia Smoking Cessation Program covers up to 12 weeks of treatment for most BC residents. You don't have to be completely ready to quit to start a plan. Cutting back on how much you smoke can still have real health benefits. Small changes really do matter. Track when and why you smoke to notice patterns. Are you smoking when you drink coffee or alcohol, or when you are in your car on the drive home? Being aware of these habits can help you come up with alternatives to use in each circumstance. If quitting smoking is something you've been thinking about, the first step is talking to a health professional trained to help. Come in for a consultation with your London Drugs Pharmacist. We'll explore your past quit attempts, your goals, and the kind of support that works best for you. In most cases, after speaking to the pharmacist, you can leave with a solution the same day, whether that's nicotine replacement, a prescription option, or a personalized quit plan. We're here to support you every step of your quit journey. Come in for a consultation. Leave with a solution. We prescribe.